time here learning code, and I'm really thankful that I came here because I learned a lot of things that will help me in my future. Like I learned what I could do with Scratch, and I can do a lot of things, even more than I thought I could do. This is the thing I thought I could do. I thought I could only make it move or like make it jump, but then you can even change the area and make it like sing or anything you'd like it to do.
We are learning how to create new things on laptop and games. Scratch it is a design that you make of a person or a thing, and you make him do some actions.
We are working on the project of Africa Code Week. We are teaching the children from age 8 years old to 14 years old. We are teaching them how to code and program. The trainers and they're learning Scratch 2. Scratch 2 is a program that the children use to create more games and different, like it's easier for them at their age.
Is an application that you can it's an application where you can use stuff, make it like your own imagination in anything you're doing. Like you can make a cat sing. For me, it helped me with imagination and creativity. It's really important. And
the program started as Africa Code Week, and now after the week during which we were training kids in schools and districts, now we started another program related still to Africa Code Week, but with children during their holidays, coming here at Telecom House for this Scratch training. So briefly, Scratch is a program conceived for kids trying to teach them the basics of coding.
Making the story of two people. When person is going to do the birthday, and where I want that they can celebrate that birthday party. I like to go in some birthday parties or to help others to arrange that birthday party.
I'm doing a story of people on a show. It is this what I'm doing. It is people who are going on the stage and they go under again. They speak and they go.
Doing a story using some blocks that we studied, and I have two girls here. One is sick, another is telling her story, but anyway I'm doing it using all the blocks. Scratch is to create your own project and your own things that you command that thing to do.
Program is very important because Rwanda is a country that wants to be a reference in terms of information technologies here in Africa, and there's no better way of making this vision a reality if we don't start from scratch. And by starting from scratch, I mean starting with kids, primary school kids. So they have to make sure that between them we'll be having the tomorrow's Mark Zuckerberg. So that's why we believe in them and we are training them because they are the future of our country and the future of the technology in Africa and East Africa.
I came here to learn how to program, to learn programming, but I found that there is this African Code Week which was going on, so they told me to help. At first I didn't know what I was supposed to do, but after I found that it was helping children younger than me to know how to program and how to code using the Scratch app, the application Scratch. So this whole week what I learned was that children are always willing to know more. They discover more and they're more excited to know everything.
I love computers and technology, so I would like to be the best coders around.
I'm very happy because people have started to understand the importance of the technologies, the information technologies in Rwanda. And I know that in many schools, this program is already part of their curriculum. The Scratch is already part of the curriculum in so many schools, public schools already. So I think that the future is bright with these kids.
I like to learn with the teachers because they're really nice, and I also like coming here because when I got to learn how to use Scratch in a laptop. I'm taking back home how to use Scratch and all the things you can do with it. I'll try to get more about it, learn more and those stuff.